Hey Allison, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. Happened to be doing some research in your area and I came across your website and figured I'd show you a short video for you all going over 3 things that you can start doing today to start beating your competitors online. So by the end of this video, if you like what you hear or like to know how Midtown Marketing can help grow your business online, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul, because you can take the tips in this video and you can use these for yourself. All I ask is for some feedback on this. So let's go ahead and get started. The 3 things that I'm going to be going over today are content, citations, and backlinks, and the first one is content. And so content applies to your website here, and that is everything that you can visually read, but it also includes every single photo that's on your website. Google does have the capability of seeing what's behind your photos here, and all that means is what were they saved as before you uploaded them. So Google wants to see that you are providing value to your readers, as well as making sure they connect you to the correct Google search result. And so a good rule of thumb would be to have at least 1,500 words on this home page here to be considered an authority with Google. And so one example of a keyword is Crosse Roofing Company. And whenever your future customers are typing this in, the first thing that populates are ads here. And so ads can be a great tool whenever utilized properly to increase your business, but for now we're going to scroll right past them. This next thing is what's called the Google Map Pack section. 30 to 40% of business goes into the Google Map Packs, and so you want to be ranking in the top 3 spots here because the top 3 spots get a lot of that 30 to 40% of business. And the way that you outrank your competitors here would be to have a Google business profile. With a really fast search, I see that you do have a Google business profile, so the next step would be to optimize this. And so you guys are doing a great job with your 5-star reviews. You do want to be consistent with that. The next thing, making sure everything is filled out completely and accurately on this profile. And then the most time-consuming but vital are those citations. All a citation is, it's your business name, the address, and the phone number exactly as it is on this profile in your local directories. Some examples of that would be Facebook, Yelp, and you'd want to outdo these competitors here. You'd want to go get the exact same citations they have and then get more than them so you can be ranking in this section and get your share of that 30 to 40% of business. And if we scroll down here, this is the start of what's called the organic listing, and the remaining 60 to 70% of business goes into this section here, and this is where your website would be ranking. Here at the bottom of the first page here, over 90% of people will stay on this first page here, and you want to be in the top 3 spots because the top 3 spots get the majority of that 60 to 70% of business. And so backlinks have a key role in ranking your website. Something that we can do is we can take a look at the back end of your website, have your URL plugged into a tool called Ahrefs, and we can see some ratings that are pulled from Google data. DR and UR, this is the trustworthiness and the authority of your website. You have 2.3 and 6, and what's making up your ratings here are the 102 backlinks that you have. And these backlinks are coming from 7 referring domains. And so all a backlink is, it's one website linking to another, like a shout out. And it's important to note that there are different kinds of backlinks. There are high quality backlinks and there are spammy backlinks. You want the high quality backlinks so that way you are boosting these numbers here, because the spammy ones can bring these numbers down. So you do want to be intentional there. And so you want your numbers higher than your competitors so that you're being boosted to the top of that Google search result. But something that goes hand in hand with the ratings here are what's called keywords. And so keywords, one example was the Crosse Roofing Company. You want to make sure that you're being boosted to the top of that Google search result for what you would actually want to be found for. So those go hand in hand there. And so right now there's 0 keywords on your website and 0 monthly website traffic as of now. We can do the exact same thing with every single competitor. This was the #1 ranking website for that keyword we were looking at. And we can take a look here and we can see they have 46 and 0. What's making up their ratings here are 3,300 backlinks coming from 954 referring domains. They have 17,500 keywords on their site, and they have just under 29,000 monthly website traffic here. So what we'd want to do for you is we'd want to add high quality backlinks to your website. That way we're getting your UR and DR boosted up higher. And then we'd want to add good quality keywords to your website. I recommend what's called buyer intent, and that way you're getting qualified leads landing on your site from the beginning there. Something that we can do is we can go into every single backlink that all of your competitors have, get those high quality ones linking to your website, because if it is working for them to rank, it would work for you. And we can take a look at all the keywords that they have, find those buyer intent ones, and then make sure those are on your website as well. And so we would do this for every single service that you provide and every single city that you service, making sure those high quality keywords are on your site and that you are ranking for them, because the more eyes that are on your site, the more people that would convert into your customers there. And I hope that this video was helpful for you. I look forward to hearing that feedback, and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch. Thanks.